You will destroy that wig if you continue using the wrong comb or brush for that wig. Do you know that there are different kind of brushes and comb? You are not supposed to use all comb or brush for that your wig. So I'll be talking about different kind of wigs and the different kind of comb or brush you are supposed to use. First of all, we'll talk about the straight wig. So for your straight wig, what you'll be needing is your Brazilian brush. This is the picture here, and your take comb. So you can, first of all, when you want to brush your hair, you start from the tip. You use your Brazilian brush. You brush it out from the tip down to the head. You understand? You brush it down. Then after you're using your Brazilian brush to brush it, then you can actually use your take comb. That is your take comb, this picture you are seeing here, to slip it down, to slick it in. That is all that will be needed for your straight hairs, okay? Then for your curly wig, what is needed is your white tooth comb. This is it. The picture you're seeing here on your screen, and also your octopus brush. So I'll be telling you how you're going to use it. So the white tooth comb, it helps to detangle curly wig faster. It is very, very, very important. Helps in maintaining curly wig without taking off the coils. So here is the trick. So once you are dealing with hair blend, that is curly wig hair blend, the best advice and the best comb to use is your white tooth comb. It helps to reduce shedding. So the octopus brush is best used when the hair is wet. Let me rephrase. Definitely, if you are using the white tooth comb, when the hair is dry, you can actually use the white tooth comb. Then for the octopus brush, you can use it when the hair is wet. The octopus brush helps your coils to pop out. Then for your bouncy coils, you either use your brush or you use the white tooth comb or the wave comb. I'll be putting the picture here. The wave comb or your white tooth comb or your brush. But when you're talking about the bouncy coils is very, very technical. So it's not really advisable to use the brush because bounce can easily drop. So I will advise you that before you use brush on that your bounce, it's better you check for the bounce you are having if it's easily drop. If it's easily drop, either use the white tooth comb or you use the wave. The wave comb helps to retain that bounce, your bounce wig. So I will actually advise you either use the wave comb or you use the white tooth comb. Then for your wavy hairs, I will advise you use your Brazilian comb or your wavy comb. Same with your kinky wigs also. If you have kinky, you can use your Brazilian brush. They are okay. But the most important one is the bounce. Emphasis on bounce. Try and maintain your bounce. Always look for the kind of bounce you have before using brush on that bounce. If you know the bounce can easily drop, can easily lose its bounce, I will advise you to go for your white tooth comb or your wavy comb. So that's my own contribution regarding combs and brush, the different kind of brushes and comb you are supposed to use for that your wig. So if there is any question and contribution you want to drop, feel free to drop it in the comment section, okay?